Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to enable tablet mode on your device, which will allow you to have the keyboard icon in the toolbar for quick access to your on-screen keyboard. When you look at your device, if you are able to come to the bottom left-hand corner and click on the Windows Start button, and yours looks like this, then this is not tablet mode. If you go to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen where you see this speech bubble, you can actually click on that and press the tablet mode button, which will then turn blue. And now tablet mode is on. When tablet mode is on, this is your desktop. All of the icons are set up much bigger on the screen, and it also enables the keyboard icon at the bottom right hand corner. If you select that, it will actually bring up an on-screen keyboard for use in any of your applications. If you want to close out of tablet mode and go back to the standard desktop, you would just select the speech bubble again and just turn off tablet mode by touching it, and it will put you back into standard desktop mode. Now, if you want to use standard desktop mode but still have the keyboard icon available for you in the taskbar, you can go down to the taskbar, touch and hold on it for 2 seconds until you have the menu pop up, and then you would just select Show Touch Keyboard button. And as you can see, standard desktop mode, it added the icon right there as well. You can select this button to bring up the keyboard at any moment. If you're trying to enter text into a text field and when touching on the text entry box, the keyboard does not automatically pop up, for now there is no fix other than just selecting the keyboard to bring it up yourself, which is why it's definitely a good idea to have this down here, whether you're using the normal desktop mode or tablet mode.